Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use a Roblox gift card. I wonder why you want to know how to use a Roblox gift card. Maybe because you have received or maybe have purchased a Roblox gift card or you're planning to, but you don't know how to use it, like how you can purchase it, how you can redeem its code, and how you can avail Robux from it. Or there could be any other reason for you to get to know how to use a Roblox gift card. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can use a Roblox gift card. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have installed a Roblox app. And if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Roblox app to open it. Once app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. But unfortunately, in this app, we don't have any option through which you can use a Roblox gift card. You could spend the Robux that you have received from it, but to avail or redeem it, you have to go to the browser. Once you get onto the browser, on the search bar, you have to specifically search for roblox.com/gift cards. You have to go with the same link and then you will land onto this website. If you have not purchased a card, then you can purchase from this option, but if you already have a card, then you have to simply click onto this option, redeem card. Here it will ask you for login, but if you're already logged in, then it would not ask. On the redeem Roblox code, you have to paste the code. If you have a physical card, then on the back side you have to scratch it and you will find a code that you have to type it here. But if you have a virtual card like me, then you will receive the code through any source that you have to copy and paste it here. After pasting the code, you just have to scroll down and click onto this redeem option. Now it will just take a while to redeem your code and the Robux will be sent to your account. Now just minimize this web and go to the app. Just give it a refresh and then at the top you will see three options. Click on the middle one and at the top you will see that you have received the Robux. Now you can spend them, like you can buy different things, you can buy different avatar or character things. There are multiple options available. You can explore whatever option you like. You can go with that. You just have to click on the Robux option and after that click on buy item. Now it will just take a while and that option will be purchased. So that's how you can use the Roblox gift card, like how you can purchase it, how you can redeem its code, and how you can enjoy the Robux that you have availed from that card. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can use a Roblox gift card. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.